In question number 18, second part is, a drain cover is made from a circular metal plate of radius 14 cm having 21 holes, each of diameter 0.5 cm. Find the area of the remaining plate, and here we have to use pi equals to 22/7. Now in this question it is given that one metal plate whose radius is 14 cm we have taken, and there are 21 small holes of diameter 0.5. So we can write in circular plate radius is 14 cm. In case of each hole, diameter is 0.5 cm, which is 5/10 cm, which will give half centimeter. Now radius is half of diameter, so it will be half divided by 2, that is half into half, that will give 1.4 centimeter. So radius of each small hole is 1/4 centimeter, and radius of the metal plate is 14 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the remaining part. So area of the remaining part will be area of the circular plate minus 21 into area of each hole. Now area of the circle we know pi r square, and here we have taken small r, so area of the circle will be pi small r square minus 21 into pi capital R square. So pi is 22/7 into small r is 14, so it will be 14 into 14 minus 21 into pi capital R square, 21 into 22/7 into 1/4 into 1/4, 7 3 ja 21, 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja 22, here 7 2 ja 14, so 22 2 ja 44 into 14 minus 3 11 ja 33, 4 2 ja 8. So we got 616 minus 33/8. If you take LCM it will be 8. 8 into 616, 4928 minus 33. After subtracting we got 4895. After dividing 4895 by 8 we got 611.875. Since in the third place it is 5, so if I cancel 5 I have to add 1 here, so it will be 611.88 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining part of the circular plate. In question number 19 it is given, a bag contains 6 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is twice that of red ball, find the number of blue balls in the bag. As given, number of red balls is 6 and blue balls not given, so we can consider let it be x. Therefore total number of balls will be 6 plus x. Now according to the question it is given that probability of drawing a blue ball is twice the probability of drawing a red ball. So probability of drawing a blue ball is twice the probability of drawing a red ball. Now what is the probability of a blue ball? Number of blue balls x, so x by 6 plus x equals to 2. Red ball, here number of red balls 6, so it will be 6 by 6 plus x. Now if I cross multiply, x equals to 2 into 6 12, 6 plus x I have written here into 6 plus x. These two can be cancelled, so we are left with 12. Therefore number of blue balls is 12, and that's the required answer. Question number 20. Find the smallest number which when increased by 11 is exactly divisible by 15, 20 and 54. Here if we take the LCM of 15, 20 and 54, after taking the LCM we are going to get 540. Therefore 540 is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 15, 20 and 54. Clear? First we have taken the LCM. LCM we got 540, and 540 is divisible by 15, 20 and 54. In the question it is given, find the smallest number which when increased by 11. Now if we subtract 11 from 540 we got 529. Therefore 529 is the smallest number which when increased by 11 is exactly divisible by 15, 20 and 54. Question number 21. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px equal to 3x square plus 2k minus 1x minus 5 are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, then find the value of k. Here polynomial px is 3x square plus 2k minus 1x minus 5, and here it is given zeros are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, so we can consider let alpha and minus alpha be the zeros. Now we know sum of zeros formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros will be alpha plus minus alpha equals to minus coefficient of x is twice k minus 1, coefficient of x square is 3. Now alpha minus alpha equal to 0, equals to minus twice k, minus into minus plus 1 by 3. If you cross multiply 3 into 0, 0 equals to minus twice k plus 1. This minus twice k, if I transfer, it will be twice k equals to 1. So k equal to 1 by 2. Therefore required value of k is 1 by 2. Question number 22. How many terms of the AP 18, 16, 14 and so on should be taken so that their sum is 0? Here first term A is 18. Common difference is second term minus first term. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. And here it is given sum of the terms is 0. We have to find how many terms. So we have to find n. Now we know some formula Sn, which is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0 as given in the question. Sum is 0. So n by 2 twice a, we got 18 plus n minus 1 d is minus 2 equals to 0. So n by 2 36 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus minus plus 2 1 2 equals to 0. So it will be n 36 plus 2 38 minus twice n, and this 2 into 0 will give 0. So we got either n equals to 0 or 38 minus twice n equals to 0. Number of terms cannot be 0, so it is rejected. So here we got 38 minus twice n equals to 0, minus twice n equal to minus 38. So twice n equal to 38. So n is 38 by 2, which will give 19. Therefore number of terms is 19. Question number 25. Prove that tangent of 10 degree, tangent of 25 degree, tangent of 45 degree, tangent of 65 degree into tangent of 80 degrees. This product is equals to 1. In this sum, first of all, we will group the angles whose sum is 90 degree. Here tan of 10 degree and tangent of 80 degree. 80 plus 10 90. So these two I have grouped. 25 and 65 also 90. So these two also I have grouped. And tan 45 I have written here. Out of these two, I will change any one. Suppose tan of theta, we know it's cot of 90 minus theta. So instead of tan of 10 degrees, we can write cot of 90 minus 10. This one will remain unchanged. Tan of 25, this one we are changing in form of cot. So it will be cot of 90 minus 25, because tan of theta is cot of 90 minus theta, tan 65 and tan 45. Now cot 90 minus 10 means cot of 80 into tan 80 can be written as 1 by cot 80. Cot 90 minus 25 is 65, cot of 65, and tan of 65 can be written as 1 by cot of 65, and tan 45 we know value is 1. Now this is into, now these two can be cancelled, these two also can be cancelled, so we are left with 1. Therefore required value is 1. In the second part it is given eliminate theta. Here x is sin theta plus cos theta and y is sin theta minus cos theta. Here we can write x equal to sin theta plus cos theta and y equal to sin theta minus cos theta. Now on squaring and adding these two equations, it will be x square plus y square sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus twice ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus twice ab. This and this can be cancelled. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Therefore required value is 2. As you can see here, there is no theta, so we have eliminated theta. Question number 24. Divide 16 into two parts such that twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. Here we can consider, let the greater part be x and the smaller part be 16 minus x. As it is given, we have to divide 16, so these are the two parts. Now as it is given, twice the square of the larger part exceeds square of the smaller part by 164. So twice x square minus 16 minus x whole square is 164. 2x square minus a minus b whole square is a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to 164. 2x square equal to 16 square is 256 minus minus plus 16 to the 32x plus minus minus x square is 164. 2x square minus x square is x square plus 32x minus 256, and this will become minus 164. It will become minus 420 equals to 0. Now we have to go for middle term factorization. Since it is 32, we can consider these two numbers 42 and 10. 42 minus 10 is 32. 42 into 10 is 420. So x square plus 42 into x plus minus 10x minus 420 equals to 0. From first two I can take x common, x plus 42. From last two if I take minus 10 common, x plus 42. So it will be x plus 42 into x minus 10 equals to 0. Now either x plus 42 is 0 or x equal to minus 42, or we can consider x minus 10 is 0, means x equal to 10. Since it is minus 42 we have rejected, so greater part is 10 and the smaller part is 16 minus 10, which will give 6. In second part of 24 it is given that a 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. If 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. Here we can consider, let the unit digit be x and tens digit be y. So number will be 10y plus x. Let me give one example. Suppose we have taken 23. This is called unit digit and this is called tens digit. So number will be 2 into 10 plus 3. So tens digit we have to multiply by 10. 2 into 10 20 plus 3 23. Similarly, here we have taken unit digit x, tens digit y. Number will be 10 into y plus x. Now it is given that a 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. So 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. 10y plus x equals to 4x plus 4y. 10y minus 4y, 4x minus x. So 6y equal to 3x. 3 if I transfer here, 6y by 3 equal to x. 3 and 6 can be cancelled. It will be 2y. So x equal to 2y. Again it is given, if 18 is added to the number, digits are reversed. So this is the actual number, 10y plus x. If I add 18, digits will interchange. So we got 10x plus y. So 10y minus y plus x minus 10x plus 18 equals to 0. 10y minus y is 9y minus 9x plus 18 is 0. From here I can take 9 common. Y minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Y minus x plus 2 equals to 0 divided by 9 will be 0 only. So y minus twice y, because from 1 we got x equal to 2y. Here you can write using 1 we got x equal to 2y plus 2 is 0, minus y plus 2 0, minus y equal to minus 2, y equal to 2. Again from 1 x equal to 2y, so 2 into 2 4. Therefore required number is 10y plus x. Y we got 2, x is 4, so 10 into 2 20 plus 4 24. Therefore 24 is the required number. In question number 25, it is given from the top of a building 60 meter high, the angles of depression of top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Suppose AB is the building and DC is the tower. As given, from the top of a building 60 meter high, the angles of depression of top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. So these two angles are given. One is when we are seeing the top, it is 30 degree, and while viewing the base, it is 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. So this height is to be calculated. So let AB be the building and DC be the tower. Angle XAD is 30 degree, XAC is 60 degree, and AB is 60 meter. We have to find the height DC. Now since XA is parallel to DE, so if this is 30, angle ADE also will be 30, alternate interior angle. Similarly, these two lines are parallel. So if this is 60, this angle also will be 60 because of alternate interior angle. So these two we have to mention first. Now, if we consider angle ABC, in this triangle this is 60, this angle is known. We can calculate BC. So in triangle ABC, height is 60 meter, base is not known. This is 60 degree. So first of all, from the triangle ABC, we will calculate BC. So in right triangle ABC, tan 60 is AB by BC, tan 60 is root 3, 60 by BC. So BC equal to 60 divided by root 3. If we rationalize, it will be 60 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 60 root 3, 3 20 ja. So it will be 20 root 3 meter. Now in the upper triangle AED, this angle is 30. We got this one 20 root 3. If this one is 20 root 3, this also will be 20 root 3. Then we can calculate AE. Then AB minus AE will give this height, and this will be equal. So now from that angle AED, we can write tan of 30 degree equals to AE by ED. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AE is not known, and ED and BC equal, both equals to 20 root 3. So if I cross multiply, AE will be 20 root 3 by root 3. This will cancel, so AE is 20. Therefore CD equal to EB. EB is AB minus AE. 60 minus 20 will give 40. Therefore height of the tower is 40. After calculation, we got AE equal to 20. Since this is 20 meter and whole length is 60, so this part will be 40. Since this is 40, this also will be 40. Therefore 40 meter is the height of the tower. In the second part of question number 25, the angle of elevation of the top of a tree from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. On walking 20 meter away from its base to a point B, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. Find the height of the tree, and here value of root 3 is 1.732. Here let CD be the tree and A and B are the observation points. Angle DAC is given 60 degree. DBC is 30 degree and AB equal to 20 meter. We have to find the height of CD. Now in triangle CDA, we are going to calculate CD. Now tan of 60 will be CD by AD. Tan 60 value is root 3 is CD by AD. So CD equal to AD root 3. Let it be equation number 1. So from the first triangle we got CD. Now in the bigger triangle CDB, tan 30 will be CD by BD. So tan 30 will be CD by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CD, BD can be written as AB plus AD. So AB plus AD. So 1 by root 3 equals to CD, we got AD root 3. CD, we can write AD root 3. AB is 20 by AD. If I cross multiply, 20 plus AD equal to AD root 3 into root 3. So 20 plus AD is 3 AD. So 20 equals to 3 AD minus AD. 20 equal to twice AD. So AD equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. Since we got AD equals to 10, now from equation 1 we can calculate CD. From equation 1 CD is AD root 3. So CD equals to 10 root 3. 10 root 3 is 1.732. After multiplying it will be 17.32. Therefore height of the tree is 17.32 meter. Question number 25, first part. This question is for blind students. Question is express cos 65 degree and tan 65 degree in terms of angles between 0 and 30 degree. Here it is given cos 65 plus tan 65. We have to convert this angle to an angle which is less than 30 degree. So cos theta we know is sine of 90 minus theta. So instead of cos 65 we can write sine of 90 minus 65. Similarly tan theta can be written as cot of 90 minus theta. So we got sine 90 minus 65 25 plus cot 90 minus 65 25. This is the required answer. In second part of question number 25 it is given write the value of cos x square 90 minus theta minus tan square theta. So here cos x square 90 minus theta. We know cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So from this part I will get sec square theta minus tan square theta. We know the identity that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So the answer is 1. Question number 26. Find the ratio in which the point P minus 6, a divides the join of A minus 3 minus 1 and B minus 8, 9. Also find the value of A. Here it is given that point P minus 6, a divides AB. Let the ratio be k is to 1. We can write here let the ratio be k is to 1. So by section formula minus 6, a will be minus 8 into k plus minus 3 into 1 divided by k plus 1. For the y part it will be k into 9 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by k plus 1. So minus 6, a equals to minus 8k minus 3 by k plus 1, 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. Now if we separately compare, minus 6 equal to minus 8k minus 3 by k plus 1 and a equals to 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. From the first part we got this. So minus 8k minus 3 equals to minus 6k plus 1. Minus 8 minus 3 equal to minus 6k plus minus minus 6. Minus 8k plus 6k equal to minus 6 minus 3. Minus 8k plus 6k will give minus twice k is minus 3. Twice k is 3. So k equal to 3 by 2. So from this first part we got k equal to 3 by 2. Now in the second part, if we replace k by 3 by 2, then we are going to get the value of a. Now from the second part, a equal to 9k, instead of k I am writing 3 by 2 minus 1 by k plus 1, so it will be 3 by 2 plus 1. Here 3 9 are 27. So if we take the LCM, 2 divided by 2 1, 1 into 27 27 minus 2 divided by 1 2, 2 1 are 2. Here it will be 2 divided by 2 1, 3 1 are 3 plus 2 divided by 1 2, 2 1 are 2. So 25 by 2 by 5 by 2, we can write 25 by 2 into 2 by 5, 2 and 2 can be cancelled, 25 by 5, this gives a equal to 5. Therefore required ratio is 3:2 and value of a is 5. Question number 27. Prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is theorem 10.2. You can write it from the textbook. For the second part, which is for the blind students, first question is define a circle. Circle means it is the collection of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Then it is called a circle. In the second part, it is given two triangles are similar. If their corresponding sides are, answer will be proportional. The third part, it is given the greatest side of a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. The statement is true. In question number 28, it is given solve the following system of linear equations graphically. 3x plus y minus 11 equals to 0 and x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Also find the area bounded by these lines and y-axis. Plot at least 3 points for each graph. Here first equation is 3x plus y minus 11 equals to 0. And second equation is x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. From equation 1, we will get y equal to 11 minus 3x. This minus 11 becomes plus 11 and this thrice x becomes minus thrice x. Now we will take different values of x and we will find the corresponding values of y. If we take x equal to 1, 11 minus 3, it will be 8. If we take 2, 3 2 is 6, 11 minus 6, it will be 5. And if we take 3, 3 3 is 9, 11 minus 9 will give 2. In this way we got 3 sets of values 1, 8, 2, 5, 3, 2. Now from the second equation, x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So it will be x minus 1 equals to y minus y. If we transfer, it will become plus y. So y will be x minus 1. Now like previous case, we have to take different values of x to find the values of y. Here we have taken x equal to 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. If we take 1, 1 minus 1, 0. If we take 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So we got 3 sets of values 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 3, 2. Now if we plot in the graph paper, for the first part 1, 8, 2, 5, 3, 2. And for the second one 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 3, 2. We are going to get two straight lines which are going to intersect at 3, 2. Since lines intersected at 3, 2, therefore x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution of the given equations. Again we have to find the area of the triangle formed by the lines and y-axis. Here this line is passing through 11. Here it is passing to 0, minus 1. So we have to find the area of this triangle as it is given y-axis. So here base will be 11 plus 1, that will be 12. And for the height we have to draw one perpendicular and this length will be 3. For this we have drawn BM perpendicular to y-axis. So in the solution part we have to write lines intersected each other at 3, 2. Therefore x equals to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution. Again for the triangle base AC is 11 plus 1, 12 units. We have drawn BM perpendicular to y-axis and BM is 3 units. Therefore area of the triangle is half into base into height, half into 12 into 3, which will give 18 square units. Question number 28 for the blind students. Here we have to solve these two equations, x plus y equal to 3 and 4x minus 3y equal to 26. Here first equation is x plus y equal to 3 and second one is 4x minus 3y equal to 26. Here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient is 4. So first equation we are going to multiply by 4 and second one by 1. So we will get 4x plus 4y equals to 12 and second one will remain as it is. Since both the coefficients are same, so we are going to subtract. Then sign will change. This plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. These two can be cancelled. And here 4 plus 3 7y equals to minus 14. Y equal to minus 14 by 7 minus 2. If we place this value in the first equation, x plus y equal to 3, so x minus 2 equal to 3 means x equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 are the solutions of the given equation. Question number 29. A wooden toy is made by scooping out a hemisphere of same radius from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and this base is of radius 3.5 cm, find the volume of the wood in the toy, and we have to use pi equal to 22/7. Here, in case of each hemisphere, radius is given 3.5. In case of cylindrical part, radius is 3.5 and height is 10. Now we have to find the volume of wood left in the toy. It will be volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere, this one and this one. So we can write volume of wood in the toy is volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere into 2. Cylinder, it is pi r square h. For the hemisphere, it is 2/3 pi r cube into 2. From here, pi r square common, h minus 2 to the 4/3 r. Pi is 22/7, radius is 3.5, so it will be 3.5 into 3.5, h is 10, minus 4/3 into 3.5, 3.5 to the 7, and 22 and 2, if I cancel it will be 11, so 11 into 3.5, here LCM will be 3 into 10, 30, minus 4 into 3.5, 14, so it will be 11 into 3.5, 30 minus 14 will give 16/3. After multiplying these 3, it will be 616/3, and if I divide, it will be 205.33 centimeter cube. So the volume of wood in the toy is 205.33 centimeter cube. The difference between the outer and inner curved surface areas of a hollow right circular cylinder 14 centimeter long is 88 centimeter cube. If the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube, find the outer and inner diameters of the cylinder. In this sum also we have to consider pi to be 22/7. As given in the question, here height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. The difference between the outer and inner curved surface areas is given 88. We can consider outer radius to be capital R and inner radius to be smaller. So let outer radius be capital R, inner radius smaller, height is 14. According to the question, difference between the outer and inner curved surface areas, so outer curved surface area minus inner curved surface area is 88, 2 pi capital R h minus 2 pi smaller h equal to 88. From here I can take 2 pi h common, r minus r is 88, 2 pi is 22/7, h is 14, r minus r, capital R also you don't know, smaller also is not known, equal to 88, 7 to the 14. From here it will be 88, r minus r is 88, r minus r equal to 88/88, so capital R minus small r equal to 1, let it be equation number 1. Again it is given that the volume of the metal is 176, that means outer volume minus inner volume is 176. From here pi h common, r square minus small r square is 176, pi is 22/7 into 14, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b is 176, 7 to the 14, here it will be 44, r plus r, already we got r minus r is 1, so instead of capital R minus small r we can write 1 equal to 176, so capital R plus small r is 176/44, which will give 4, therefore capital R plus small r is 4 and capital R minus small r is 1. From these two equations we can find the value of small r and capital R. So r minus r is 1, r plus r is 4. This small r can be cancelled. So twice r will be 5. So r will be 2.5. From equation 1, r minus r is 1. So 2.5 minus r is 1. 2.5 minus 1 is small r. So small r equal to 1.5. Now we have to find the diameters. So outer diameter will be twice r, 2 into 2.5, which will give 5 centimeter. And inner diameter is 2 into smaller, 2 into 1.5, it will give 3 centimeter. In question number 30, it is given the mean of the following frequency distribution is 62.8 and the sum of all the frequencies is 50. Find the missing frequencies F1 and F2. Here two frequencies are missing and we have to find F1 and F2. So if we prepare the table, here class interval, this is the frequency, class mark will be 0 plus 20 divided by 2. 0 plus 20 is 20, 20/2, 10. S difference is 20, so keep on adding 20, 10 plus 20, 30, plus 20, 50, plus 20, 70, 90, 110. Now we have to multiply Fi into Xi, 7 into 10, 70, 30 into F1, 30 F1, 12 into 50, 600, 70 F2, 630, 8 into 110, 880. After adding these values, it will be 34 plus F1 plus F2. After adding these values, this 4, this and this one I cannot add because they contain some variable. We got 2180 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Now in the question it is given that total frequency is 50. The total frequency is 50. Total frequency is 34 plus F1 plus F2 is 50. So F1 plus F2 is 50 minus 34. So F1 plus F2 16. F1 will be 16 minus F2. Now in the question it is given mean is 62.8. Mean is summation of Fi Xi by summation Fi equal to 62.8. This value is 2180 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 by total frequency is 50, 62.8. From here if I take 10 common, 10 and 50 can be cancelled. So we are left with 218 plus 3 F1 plus 7 F2. 5 into 62.8 will give 314. If I transfer 218 the other side, it will be 3 F1 plus 7 F2 is 314 minus 218. So 3 F1 we got 16 minus F2. So from here 3 instead of F1 we can write 16 minus F2 plus 7 F2 is 96. 48 minus 3 F2 plus 7 F2 is 96. So 7 minus 3 will be 4 F2. 96 minus 48. 7 F2 minus 3 F2 will give 4 F2 equal to 96 minus 48. 4 F2 is 48. If you subtract it will be 48. So F2 is 48 by 4 which will give 12. So from equation 1 F1 is 16 minus F2. So F1 will be 16 minus 12 which will give 4. Therefore F1 is 4 and F2 is 12. In the second part it is given find the median of the following distribution. Here class interval and frequencies are given and we have to find the median. Here these are the class intervals and this is the frequency. As we have to find the median, so we require cumulative frequency. So here 3 will remain as it is. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 8 17, plus 15 is 32, plus 10 is 42, plus 8 50. So total frequency is 50, so n is 50. Now since n is 50, n by 2 will be 50 by 2 25. Since the cumulative frequency greater than or equal to 25 is 32, therefore 30 to 40 is the median class. So we can write median class is 30 to 40. Now lower limit of the class is 30. This is the frequency of the class and this is the cumulative frequency 17. So we can write here lower limit of the median class is 30, frequency of the median class 15, width of the class 10, number of observations we already calculated 50, and cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 17. Now we have to use median formula which is L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. L is 30 plus n by 2, n is 50, 50 by 2 25 minus 17 by 15 into 10. 30 plus 25 minus 17 is 8 by 15 into 10. 5 2 ja 5 3 ja. Now if I take the LCM, LCM will be 3. 3 into 30, 90 plus 8 to just 16. After adding it will give 106 by 3. So 35.33 is the required median. In section F, question number 1 is the prime factors of 408. Prime factors of 408, if you divide by 2 it will be 204. Again divide by 2, 102. If you divide by 2, 51, and 317 is 51. So 408 will be 2 cube into 3 into 17. This is the answer. Question number 2, it is given sum of the zeros of the polynomial 5x square plus 2x minus 3. We know sum of zeros formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x square is 5. So it will be minus 2 by 5. In third part it is given the system of equations 2x plus 5y equal to 17 and 5x plus 3y equal to 14 has, out of these 4 we have to select the correct one. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 5, c1 is minus 17. If you transfer in the same side then c will be minus 17. Similarly a2 will be 5, b2 will be 3 and c2 will be minus 14. Now a1 by a2 is 2 by 5 and b1 by b2 is 5 by 3. Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so equations has unique solution. Question number D. We have to find the discriminant of the equation x square plus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 8, c is 16. So discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So it is 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 16. 64 minus 64, that will give 0. Therefore discriminant is 0. In question number E, it is given, is the following an AP 3, 3, 3, 3. Since all the terms are same, here second term minus first term, difference is 0. Third term minus second term also 0. Since common difference is same, so it is in AP. Question number F. What is the area of an equilateral triangle of side A? We know the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Here side is A, so answer is root 3 by 4 into A square. Question number G. If the area of a triangle is dash square units, then its vertices are collinear. Since vertices are collinear, therefore area must be 0. So answer will be 0. In question number H, it is given solve for theta, and it is given that 2 cos theta equal to 1. If 2 cos theta is 1, cos theta will be half. We know cos of 60 is half, so cos theta is cos of 60. That means theta equals to 60 degree. In I, question is 1 plus cos x square theta equal to cot square theta, and we have to check whether it is. In question number I, it is given 1 plus cos x square theta equal to cot square theta, and we have to check whether it is a correct statement. We know cos x square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Therefore, the given statement is false. Question number J, it is given define a tangent to a circle. A line which touches a circle at a point only is called a tangent. Question number K, find the area of a circle of radius 10.5 cm, and we have to use pi is 22 by 7. Here radius is 10.5 cm, which can be written as 105 by 10. If I cancel by 5, it will be 21 by 2 cm. Now area of the circle, it is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 2 11 ja 22, 7 3 ja, so it will be 33 into 21 by 2. After multiplying, it will be 693 by 2, so it will be 346.5 centimeter square. Next question L is find the area of a sector of angle theta and radius r. So we know the area of a sector is pi r square theta by 360 degree. Question number M, find the distance between 5,8 and minus 3,2. So x1 y1 we can consider 5,8 and x2 y2 minus 3,2. So distance will be x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus 3 minus 5 whole square, 2 minus 8 whole square. It will be minus 8 square plus minus 6 square. So 64 plus 36, which will give root over 100. Root over 100 is 10. Therefore distance between the point is 10 units. Question number N, it is given what is the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. When a coin is tossed once, possible outcomes will be head and tail. So there are 2 possible outcomes, and favorable outcome is head, only 1. Therefore probability of getting 1 head is 1 by 2. Question number 32. The ACF of 2 numbers is 16 and their product is 3072. Find their LCM. We know ACF into LCM is product of the numbers. So 16 into LCM is 3072. So LCM will be 3072 divided by 16, which will give 192. Question number B of 32, it is given find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 5 and minus 7. These are the zeros, so sum of zeros will be minus 5 minus 7, which will give minus 12, and product of the zeros will be minus 5 into minus 7, 35. We know the family of quadratic polynomial is given by any constant k x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k x square minus sum of zeros is minus 12x plus product of zeros 35. So k x square plus 12x plus 35. If we take k equal to 1, so 1 required polynomial is x square plus 12x plus 35. This is the required answer. In question number C, it is given solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is 0. Here you have to go for middle term factorization. instead of 3 we can write 6 minus 3. So 6x minus 3x is 3x, and 3 6 is 18. So x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 is 0. From first 2, if I take x common, we are left with x plus 6. From last 2, if I take minus 3 common, it will be x plus 6. Again, x plus 6 can be taken common. It will be x plus 6 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So either x plus 6 is 0, which will give x equal to minus 6, and x minus 3 0 means x equal to 3. Question number D, we have to find the 19th term of the sequence. n is n minus 2 by n plus 3. So here n is 19. So it will be 19 minus 2 by 19 plus 3. 19 into 17 by 22. So it will be 323 by 22. In E, it is given, find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 0, 5, minus 2 and minus 8, 5. Here we have to use the centroid formula, which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now x1 here is minus 3, x2 is 5 and x3 is minus 8. After adding, if we divide by 3, it will be minus 6 by 3. Here 5 minus 2, 3, 3 by 3. So minus 2 by 1 is the centroid of the given triangle. In question number F, it is given, evaluate sine square 30 plus sine square 45 plus sine square 60. We know sine 30 is half square. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so it will be 1 by root 2 whole square. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 whole square. So this will give 1 by 4 plus 1. Root 2 square is 2 plus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. Here LCM will be 4. 4 by 4, 1, 1, 1 ja 1 plus 4 by 2, 2, 2, 1 ja 2 plus 4 by 4, 1, 3, 1 ja 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 by 4, cancel by 2, it will be 3 by 2. So the required value is 3 by 2. In question number G, it is given, circumference of a circle is 39.6 and we have to find the radius. We know circumference is 2 pi r equals to 39.6 can be written as 396 by 10. So 2 pi is 22 by 7 into r is 396 by 10. So r will be 396 into 7, 2 into 22 by 10 in the denominator. If we cancel by 11, it will be 36. Here it is 2. So r will be 36 into 7 by 4 into 10. Again 4 and 36 can be cancelled. It will be 9. So 63 by 10, which will give 6.3. Therefore radius of the circle is 6.3 centimeter. In question number is, it is given that m is sec theta plus tan theta and n is sec theta minus tan theta, and we have to show mn equals to 1. So here m into n is sec plus tan into sec minus tan. A plus b, a minus b, it will be a square minus b square, and we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So the required answer is 1. In I, it is given, find the value of k for which the given value of x equal to minus 5 by 3 is a solution of the equation 3x square plus kx plus 5 equals to 0. Here minus 5 by 3 is a solution of this equation, so we can replace x by minus 5 by 3. So it will be 3 minus 5 by 3 whole square plus k into minus 5 by 3 plus 5 equals to 0. So 3 minus minus plus 5 square 25 by 9 minus 5k by 3 plus 5 equals to 0. 3 and 9 can be cancelled, it will be 3. If you take the LCM now, it will be 3. 3 by 3, 1. So it will be 25 minus 3 by 3, 1. 5k plus 3 5 ja 15 equals to 0. So 40 minus 5k, 3 into 0, 0. Minus 5k is minus 40. 5k is 40. K equal to 40 by 5. That is 8. Therefore required value of k is 8. The last sum of this question paper question is, find two consecutive natural numbers whose product is 20. Here we can consider the numbers be x and x plus 1. Since it is given consecutive, so if first number is x, second one must be x plus 1. And as given product of the numbers is 20, so x into x plus 1 is 20. X square, x into 1 x is 20. So it will be x square plus x minus 20 equals to 0. Now we have to go for middle term factorization. Instead of 1, we can write 5 minus 4. So it will be x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is 0. From first to x common, x plus 5. From last to I can take minus 4 common, x plus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 5 into x minus 4 equals to 0. So either x plus 5 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. From here x is minus 5 and x equals to 4. but in the question it is given natural number, and here we got x equal to -5. It is not a natural number, so we are rejecting it. So we got x equal to 4. Therefore required numbers are 4 and 5. And that's all for today. In the next video I am going to solve question paper of 2022.